Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're doing an unboxing of the box of the month from Not Too Shabby, and as you can tell, I've already taken everything out of the box and it is a pretty full package this month. So we've got 3 stamp sets, a bunch of ephemera, and 2 paper packs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the paper packs. All of these are in the fall color scheme, so this one I think this is really pretty. It's got the regular fall theme and Thanksgiving colors that you would normally expect. You know, the browns, red browns, oranges, yellows, that sort of thing. Basically the colors of the leaves that as they're starting to fall, which I really don't see here in Florida. And then we've got a second one, and that one is called Autumn Vibes. Then we've got a second paper pack called Give Thanks, and they have thrown in this bright pink, and I think that is just lovely. So let's look through that pack first. We've got a lot of pretty colored papers. Also, this is a 6x6 pad, which has 24 double-sided designs, and there's 4 of each design. So you've got plenty to play with, and you don't have to worry too much about cutting into something because you do have an extra. Because with pattern paper, that's one of my biggest issues, is I'm always afraid I'm going to want to use it for something else, you know? So I think this is just so pretty. So I think we've already gotten to a point where we are seeing a second copy of a lot of those. So that is one of the paper packs. Then we've got the Autumn Vibes. And again, as I mentioned, it's got those it's basically got those autumny colors. This one is super pretty with the leaves. Looks like the leaves have not completely turned. You've still got some green in there, so that is pretty. This one's a glitter one. So lots of sweater and fall type things for if you're further north than Florida. This is just lovely. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we've gotten into at least the second one. Oh, this is real pretty too. It's got a lot of sunflowers and some roses that are that orangey color. So anyway, we've got 2 paper packs. Then we've got our ephemera, which basically matches everything. Now, I've already separated it out. This one is basically all of the nature things, like the pumpkins and the leaves and the roses and all of that good stuff. And then this one is more things like what you would find in a house, or more geared towards people, I guess. We've got a rocking chair, coffee cup. I'm trying to remember what all is in this one. Sweater, lantern, scarves, little shabooties. I love those shabooties because I've actually got a pair just like that. And I think they're in black, but it's been years since I've used them. Then I've got the other 2 that are for the one that's got the purple, and it's basically the same kind of thing. We've got a lot of the pumpkins and everything. Some of these are in this real pretty pink. Okay, let me take some of those out. So we've got all this, I mean, that is gorgeous. Only thing I think would be better is if it was in teal. But anyway, that is super gorgeous. So we've got all of those for the leaves and the pumpkins, and we've also got some pretty apples and basically all the nature things. And then we've also got, and they're in that same ephemera pack. I like that they give kind of a combination. We've got coffee. Well, we've got some drinks. I've actually used a couple of these, so I don't have the full set here. But we've also got a basket full of pumpkins and apples and such, and our little holiday mugs. And anyway, it's super fun and great for fall. I mean, it is almost pumpkin spice season, although a lot of folks are probably already getting into that. So for the stamp sets, first off, we've got this one, which is Fall Sentiments. It says Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves, Cutest Apple in the Orchard, Autumn Wishes, Nuts About Fall, My Favorite Color is Autumn, Hey There Pumpkin, and a warm cozy hello. And that would be perfect on any greeting card you want to send out during fall months. Then we've got this one that has a lot of those same images that we just saw over in the ephemera packs. We've got our mug that has a nice drink with cinnamon, and I believe it's either vanilla or anise, or I'm not 100% sure on that. I think it might be vanilla, but it's got our whipped cream and such, and that is so cool. We've got a pumpkin, a pie, some autumn leaves, an apple, and then we've we've got a couple of sentiments. We've got Happy Day and Thanksgiving, or you could do Happy Thanksgiving. And then we've got So Full of Thanks. I think that one is super pretty, and some leaves and such as well. Then for our last stamp set, we have this one called Autumn's Calling. And it has, again, another one of those coffee drinks that is so cool. But I think I love fall most of all as the sentiment. And then we've got pumpkins and candles and a wood slice and scarf and mittens. And this is just going to be super cute. There are a lot of those little embellishments so that you can do a bunch of different things on a card. I think this was going to be super cute. Make some really pretty backgrounds too. So that's going to be it for the unboxing of the box of the month from Not Too Shabby Shop. You do want to check out my next video though. I am doing a video as part of the box of the month hop that is on September the 1st, so you'll want to check out that as well as all of the other creators in that hop. We'll have a lot of inspiration projects for you to see. Also, there's going to be a playlist over here so you can see some more projects that I've created using other Not Too Shabby Shop products. You guys have a wonderful day. Remember, if I can make it, you can too, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.